cute kayo. Pwede ninyo higabon ni bro. Hanan mo ato mo sa balay na mo. Cute kayo. See, watch this. See, he cannot get out because he like my shirt is pink. He like very pink. And he kabit in here. He cannot get out anymore. He like to kabit. See?
Papalit ko rin itong bond paper. Bond paper, short ug long, tagsa-tagsa.
And he like it. He like it. And he like it my pink. See, look at this guys. And can get out in here. Please. He cannot get out anymore. And you can grab it. You're gonna put in your shirt. He can put it all in your gonna go. He's not gonna go anywhere. This is our bird. This is a new bird. But he is so little and little. Very a little bird. Cannot get out, but there's a little itty in my palataw. Vanilla. Look up that over there. See? It's just a little bird. He is a little, and this is a dancing bird. He loves to dance anywhere. But he is a cute bird. But this bird is very so tickly. And he cannot he very this is very my bird. He very okay. And comment this bell and comment for our video. Bye bye. Please like and follow. You're forgetting my video to watch. Bye bye. Please like and please like and subscribe. Please like and please like and follow and thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye bye.